What brings you to the battery show and the electric hybrid vehicle technology show?
The high voltage technology becomes really important for the automotive industry because the mechanical drive shaft becomes electric, and that means we need energy storage, electrical energy storage in cars. So that belongs to batteries, and that's exactly why we are here.
Okay. So what new products and services are you showcasing here today?
TE is a connectivity company and serving a lot of sensors to the automotive market. And looking at these new high voltage architectures, we have a lot of new opportunities. In high voltage terminal connectors, we have also a lot of additional sensor technology coming to the cars, like rotary sensors and the motors. We see a lot of additional opportunities in terms of current sensors, but we have also connectivity topics to solve where a lot of battery cells, sometimes a couple of hundred cells, needs to be connected safely. But we have also strong and high power terminations to manage in cars where hundreds of amps flowing in power. And that is exactly the competency of TE, and this is why we're developing this business.
I noticed that you have a digital app here of Synap. Is that the right pronunciation for the car that you have here, where you can see all the connectivity?
This car is Synapsis called, and this is just a showcase to demonstrate a little bit what happens underneath of the car body, because many of the traditional car owners don't know what exactly happened inside of a car, the complexity over there. But the more than 500,000 components served by TE connectivity, not all of them for sure are in cars, but also in buildings. But many of them are not visible for our customers. And that's exactly the reason why a digital but also a live car in the same shape is existing in TE, just to showcase and to demonstrate the technology we bring to the automotive industry.
So what new trends and new products do you think we'll see more of in 2017?
For sure, the power demand is going up. We see larger cross-wire sections coming along with that. So that means it adds more weight to cars, which the customers don't like. So that means the answer on that, on the technology side, is bringing the voltage up. If the voltage goes up, then we can reduce the currents again, which means we can go with smaller cables and helping the customers to have a better integration of their electrical powertrain. So that is one of the trends, and another one is for sure we will see more and more powerful battery systems with double or triple the power, and with that for sure more protection requirements coming up. So battery and electrical powertrain architecture protection components becomes really a very important business opportunity for TE.
Why is the European market so important for you?
For sure, the European market since decades is for sure in high volume, like the Volkswagen team, but also very much in the premium segment. And the premium segment, as you can read in nearly every newspaper, is faced with a problem. Heavy cars, very, very sportive and performing cars ending up in a CO2 emission problem, and that needs to be solved. So the weight comes with these premium, and the performance added to the cars, needs to be managed by a modern and really innovative powertrain architecture. And this is all about the electrification of powertrains.
What connections and partnerships are you hoping to get at the show here? What sort of people are you meeting?
The complexity and the powertrain electrification is going up, and we hear on many conferences and talking with customers that this complexity can't be managed by single companies anymore. So we're really looking at partnerships. We're working with electronic partners to understand deeply the system, like looking in the BMS. So that means the battery management system. The better we understand the battery management system, the easier we can design the components for that, like contactors, like the physical connections, and also looking at partnerships to understand the functional requirements in terms of safety. Because if you're looking for autonomous driving in the future, safety becomes more important, and reliability, and for sure, with that complexity, you need to learn from others, and you need to upgrade your specifications in the product so that you can really look forward to the next generation architectures and driving more and even, let me say, more powerful and higher performing components than to the market.